Isto é 9.
Muito.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah.
So it's definitely going to be a nice day today. So I'm just going to do some scrambled eggs this morning. So I've got 4 eggs, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, milk, pepper and butter. Here's one of the fold-up chairs we've bought at the market. Yeah, put it up.
So this is the back, isn't it?
How nice is that? Yes. I think today is going to be the first day of good sunbathing. Look at the colour of the sky. I swear it's a different kind of blue than we get in England. It's like a paler blue or bluer. There you go, there's my makeshift sunbed. So I'm currently potting the succulents that we bought today at the market, and we bought these terracotta pots that were, what was it, £1 each or less? Like 50 cents each. And Fabio's just being masculine and painting the wall. So we chipped off all the old paint and now he's going on with fresh paint.
Let's hope it.
Here's the progress so far. Look at all of them. Cute. That's a lavender plant. Oh, and here's another one I did. Look, Fabio's doing very well with the painting. So I'm going to do a soup for dinner, and it's going to consist of a leek, spinach that needs using because it's going off, broccoli and some green lentils.
Look at all these greens.
Hopefully it'll be nice.